Hi everyone. Hey, I was on the office hours and I couldn't get this problem to work. This is the problem with the two y-axes. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial here. So first you need to type the data in, okay, like I did. And then you're going to highlight the data. Pretty simple. And then you're going to go up to insert. And I personally like a scatter graph. It's good for XY data. I'm just going to put that here. Going to scooch it over here. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then we're going to click on this format data series. And then if you look to your far right, which I don't even know if I can drag this thing over there. If you look to your far right, it says series options. So we want to plot that red line as having let me make this bigger, as having the being the secondary axis. So far right, it's going to be it's a gray thing that opens up. I didn't even see it. So you can click on it as a secondary axis because otherwise it's too low and you can't see the numbers because these numbers are super small and these numbers are huge. That's why you need two y-axis. So now we can see that the blue line is the number of acres, which has steadily increased. And then we can see that our production has increased more, has increased a little bit more, like less uniformly, but it has increased. So hopefully you got that. That is my helpful hint for the day. And that is how to do a Excel chart with two y-axes.